Were you the one that put a fuel pump in this? Or was that Dylan put a fuel pump in?
Wasn't me. I put a fuel pump in the SVX.
Oh, you did? Okay, that's right.